A very good afternoon to everyone. I, Nilima Chadda, Assistant Professor, CPJ, welcome you to CPJ National Moot Court competition in collaboration with National Human Rights Commission. And today we are honoured with the presence of Mr. Romit Rana, who has judged the prelims session of National Moot Court competition. Sir, how was your overall experience today?
It was really nice, and that's what I'm doing from last 10 years. And coming over here, all the committee members and the organization, that was pretty good. Like starting from the entrance and taking the judges to the rooms, and even the crowd sitting over there, they had the good knowledge, and even the moot compromise which you had chosen, that is appropriate and according to the current laws and everything. And that's like I appreciate the hard work done by the committee and the members, and especially by the teachers and everyone, the staff over here. And it was pretty good, and I must encourage the people and the students that they can come more and more and they participate into the moot courts. And that's what the college have a good reputation, and being into the IP University on the second rank, that's what I can think of. So that's why if you give the more and more the moot court competitions, the people will get encouraged and they will come to know that what exactly the importance of a moot court competition is. So that's what all about from my end. And yes, I give the best wishes to the institution and to all the staffs and the students over here. They must grow in their career.
So how do you think that mooting contributes to shaping a law student's professional development?
That's what I already mentioned out in the previous question, that this is the very well appropriate step being into the law department. If you want to be a successful lawyer and specifically into the litigation, you should encourage yourself to participate more and more into the moot court competitions, and you'll come to know how to speak out what exactly the case laws are and what exactly the scenarios going on into the world.
And sir, any memorable moment or takeaway from today's experience?
The best part was that you guys were serving the water to everybody. The people are coming every now and then, and they don't want them to be the thirsty throat, and that's what, like, the people are having the water at the good time. So that's what is the good thing.
So any message that would you like to give to the participants?
They should prepare well. They should know where exactly they have to stop, where exactly they have to speak, how they have to prepare themselves, the overall presentation. And if the judge is asking any certain question, they should be very much relevant to that specific question, and they will not give the answer into the generic form. So that is all about. I can just give my best wishes to all the participants for today and tomorrow.
Thank you for your valuable presence, sir.